friends and welcome back. The word that we are going to learn today is blandishment. Its spell is Blandishment. Blandishment. So let's speak with me. Blandishment. Blandishment. The word blandishment is a noun. Its first meaning is flattering speech or actions intended to persuade or influence, while the other meaning is the act of urging by means of teasing or flattery. Basically, the word blandishment is related to the old-fashioned verb blandish, meaning to coax with flattery or kind words. A blandishment is often teasing in tone, and the intention to persuade is thinly veiled. Although the words that define blandishment well in Urdu are शीर ज़ुबानी, झूठे नाज नखरे, खुशामद और चापलूसी. When it comes to the similar meaning words, the word blandishment carries a long list. Some of them are wheedling, cajolery, coaxing, ingratiating, and fawning. Nonetheless, the same case is with the opposite side as well. The words like depreciation, bad-mouthing, belittlement, detraction, and disparagement are used as antonyms to blandishment. Now let's have a look on its usage in a sentence. As always, I have two examples for you. The first one is, the teacher would not respond to our blandishment and refused to cancel the test. While the next one is, I must use every kind of blandishment to convince myself that my life and work are worthwhile. So that's all for today. If you really want to build up your vocabulary, so please make sure that you practice these words on daily basis. Furthermore, for finding the reading material of this video, visit us on our FB page whose link has been given in the description. At last, I'd love to hear from you, so please do share your feedback and suggestions with us. So see you on Monday with a new family. Stay with us and happy Ramadan to all Muslims across the globe.